Welcome to Aeroscope TV. It's Thursday and just a little after 3:30. I'm really excited for today's show. We are going to go live in New York, and we're going to actually show for the first time on Aeroscope TV, Airscope Plus, our new technology. So I'm looking forward to showing everyone exactly how it works, and we're going to show you an instant result, explain everything you might want to know about it. Before that, I just want to let you know, I mentioned last week that we're going to do a Valentine's Day promotion that starts February 1. So you can inquire about that if you're interested. But February 1st is the Valentine's Day promo. And that's if two people are getting it done together, couples, friends, etc., brother and sister. Anyway, and Vegas is opening at the end of February. So our Vegas office is very soon going to be opening, so we look forward to going live from Vegas. And now we're going to go and we're going to learn about Mandy's journey with Airscope Plus. So let's go to New York.
All right, 1 second.
Okay. Hey.
Hello.
How you doing?
Guys, I'm great. How are you?
Great, thank you. Nice to see you.
All right, so we're out here in New York. We're going to go see Mandy in here. I'm going to flip the camera around.
For everyone watching who doesn't know Ethan, he is the producer of Aeroscope TV, and he went to New York so that we could do a really good segment about Airscope Plus. So everyone say hi to Ethan, and Ethan, I'll let you do your thing.
Perfect. All right, let's flip the camera around. We're going to go on in. All right. Hello, everybody.
Hi. I want to introduce everyone to Dr. C. We haven't showed her before on Airscope TV. She's in our Manhattan office, and she's going to be doing Airscope Plus today. So welcome to Airscope TV and Elite. I want to just ask you a few questions. How much fat did we take out using AirSculpt from Mandy's chin?
Well, for a chin, we got a good deal of fat out. There's about 150, maybe even up to 200, because some of it is kind of along the canister here, but we got a good deal for the chin.
Guys, that's about 20% of a liter. That's legit. She's going to have a serious result.
Oh, yeah.
And how is she doing?
I'm doing fabulous.
Yeah, she's been a great patient.
I feel like I'm like at a hydrofacial appointment. I haven't felt literally anything uncomfortable. It feels like just a routine facial.
I love it. I love it. And you know, I want to know, you know, from Dr. C for a second, why do you like doing AirSculpt?
I like AirSculpt because it is immediate results. My passion is body contouring, and really the AirSculpt technique, it just allows you to deliver that in a minimally invasive way. And I love just seeing the results on the table.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Okay. Thank you. So Mandy, let's talk.
Yeah.
I want to know about your whole journey here. So first of all, how did you hear about AirSculpt?
I actually heard about AirSculpt on a TikTok video, believe it or not.
Oh, okay.
I'm a content creator myself, so I spend a lot of time scrolling through other people's videos, and I just was very, very fascinated by it, especially the downtime and how minimally invasive it is. And so that's what brought me here. Wonderful.
And how has it been so far?
I literally feel like I'm at a spa appointment. There is nothing different about it. It just, I will say extractions at a facial are more painful than this.
Well, from your mouth to everybody else's ears, I've been saying that for a long time. And that's why we do Airscope TV, is because when you say it, it has so much more effect than when I say it, because I've never had AirSculpt. You have, you know?
Yeah, no, I mean, literally, I had a facial yesterday. I will say that was more painful and uncomfortable than this.
Was it a hydrofacial?
It was a hydrofacial. So
and that
the
was
vibration,
more painful than AirSculpt?
Yeah, so I mean, and I love hydrofacials, but the vibrations you feel there and then the extractions are definitely more uncomfortable than this. This is like extremely chill, painless. We listened to fun music. I was scrolling on my phone. No different.
Perfect. And what kind of music did you choose for your AirScope procedure?
You know, actually, my girls here, Dr. C and our nurse, picked the playlist, and it was fabulous. I felt like I was at like a Miami Beach Club. It doesn't get more relaxing than this.
I love it.
I think it was Rufus Day Soul, I think is who it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Rufus Soul, there you go.
we were vibing out, just relaxing. Like I was chatting with my girlfriends. Absolutely, totally painless. I can't stress that enough.
I'm so happy to hear that. So let's talk about Aeroscope Plus. So Mandy, you are going to be the first person on Aeroscope TV to have Aeroscope Plus. And guys, everyone is wondering what that is. It's Aeroscope, as we always show you, with one step at the end that we've changed, where instead of lasering her, which we usually do, when someone gets Aeroscope Plus, it gives them extra skin tightening, because what we're doing is we're actually putting helium gas under the skin that's electrified. And what does that mean? It means that the underside of her skin is going to get hot and contract even more than the heat from a laser. So, and we're going to show this being done, and Mandy is going to get an extra tightened chin look because we're using Aeroscope Plus. Now, Aeroscope Plus isn't for everybody. If you don't have loose skin, then it's definitely not for you. Airscope tightens skin tremendously well. But for those people who want an extra skin boost, we have Airscope Plus. And Dr. C, why don't you go ahead, and then Mandy, you can tell us what it's like.
Yeah, I mean, I will add in one thing. I've lost over 120 pounds over the last 5 years. So loose skin for me has been probably more annoying than any stubborn pockets of fat. I feel like the loose skin part is what I'm really looking for.
That is why you're doing Airscope Plus. You couldn't have said it better. So for those people who've lost a lot of weight, those are the people that I really created Airscope Plus for, just like yourself. And did I hear you're getting married soon?
I am. I'm getting married in June. And so this is exactly why I'm doing this, because I want to look, all the hard work I've put in the last 5 years for getting to a place where, I love my body and I'm feeling confident. Just tightening up all that loose skin is imperative for me. And I'm spending a ton of money on photos and videos for our wedding. And so I want all of my hard work to really, show off, and tightening that loose skin is a big priority.
I totally agree with you. And I'm telling you right now in front of everybody watching that you will have a beautiful jawline and tight skin under your chin for your wedding. So I'm really happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, let's get started and let's show off some Airscope.
Wait, I'm seeing some comments and I actually want to talk about it. People are talking about confidence and loving your body. I am a very confident person, and I think a lot of times people confuse aesthetics for, not being confident, not loving yourself, and not being body positive. And I think that it's important to say, just in life, how we like to ask people for a little extra help sometimes, and we should ask for help. An aesthetic procedure like this isn't throwing in the towel and being like, I don't want to do the work. A lot of times it's complementary to all the work that you have done to really show off your hard work.
I totally agree. You did the work. You lost a ton of weight. And when you have a lot of weight loss, that some things need to be kind of polished up, because, you did. It's like when people say that stuff, what it reminds me of, it's like, okay, so is brushing your teeth not body positive? Is it not body positive to use a tooth whitening toothpaste? Because, I drink coffee sometimes. Should I not use a tooth whitening toothpaste? Like, I think this is extremely body positive. I think if you have a problem area, no one's, obviously you love yourself, right?
Yeah.
You took great care of yourself. You made great health decisions. And now you're doing things that that just amplify what you've already done. I think it's wonderful.
Absolutely. And I think, we were talking about this earlier, but I'm a big believer in affirmations and doing everything you can to love the skin that you're in. And when you're confident, doing things like this only adds to it. I'm not depending on a procedure to make me be happier with my appearance. I'm just getting a procedure that helps reinforce all of the work that I've done and just prove to myself that I'm investing in myself, and just very happy with all of it. It's just reinforcing all the work I've done, and it's not like an easy throwing in the towel, being like, somebody else do this so I don't have to do the work. It's really a compliment to that.
I could not agree with you more. I mean, by the way, speaking of confidence, what's more confident than going live on AirSculpt TV and getting
Literally, I'm exposing it all. I mean, we're completely
You're pretty
unfiltered.
confident.
Yeah, we're completely unfiltered, and I think a lot of people just need to be excited to do, to ask for help. Like, there's no amount of diet and exercise can help with the stubborn pocket of fat.
No, that's absolutely right. You cannot spot treat the body. Like,
exactly.
You can eat perfectly and exercise every day and still have problem areas, and we're here for that.
Yeah.
I have to tell you that I think the thing I like most about my job is making people like you and all of our patients, like, doing AirSculpt on them and seeing them in a couple months and seeing a happier person.
Yeah.
And when someone has a problem area since they were, let's say, a teenager, or since a bad divorce or whatever it is, and no matter what they do, they couldn't get rid of it, and we get rid of it for them, it's the best. It's like, I see that glow and I see a happier person, and that's what drives me, really.
And I have to say, like, the fact that, in 2 days I can take off my compression garment and move along my day, and, the minimal downtime is really, really appealing. So I'm excited to see my own results in a couple days.
I mean, you're going to see a result today in a few minutes. So
yeah,
let's tighten your skin right now.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
All right. Very well said, Mandy. Okay.
Here we go.
Extend your neck again. Okay, so we're going to insert the cannula.
Here we go. We're AirScope plussing live.
And is
that okay?
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
You guys see that? There you go.
I'm telling you, a facial or even brushing your teeth, sometimes it's more uncomfortable.
I love that.
That's the gas you were talking about.
What does it feel like?
It feels like, the Clarisonic face wash wand?
Yeah, I tried that.
Like that.
Okay, that's so cool.
Yeah, probably even more gentle.
I love it. And your skin is literally tightening right now in real time.
Still doing okay?
Yeah, doing great.
Wonderful. Looking great.
And while we're lying here, I just want to say the office is gorgeous. You don't feel like you're in like it just feels like a spa treatment, truly.
That is how this is supposed to be. That is part of the AirScope experience. I want it to be like going to a spa and just coming out free of your problem areas.
Yeah.
What's better than that? Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. And everyone's so nice and gentle. And
Well,
do you live in New York City?
What was that, Aaron?
Does she live in New York City?
I do.
Yeah, she does.
So super convenient. A great location overlooking Central Park. You can't ask for more.
Yeah, I love that location. We get people there from literally all over the world. We get people from London coming. We got people from France, Germany, because I guess it's really easy to get to New York from Europe. But I love that location. I used to operate there.
Awesome.
Any thoughts, Dr. C?
No, I think she's doing great. She's been a model patient. Her skin is looking fantastic. So.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's my new favorite.
I'm doing great too, by the way, if you didn't want to ask.
Yeah, sorry, Ethan, we didn't ask. Ethan, do you want AirScope Plus?
I'm already dreaming up, like, do I want to do arms next?
Yeah.
Strapless wedding dress? Like, what's next? This is so easy.
That's the hidden cost of AirSculpt, is it's so great you end up wanting other stuff done.
Yeah. This is only the beginning now.
I am so excited for your after photo. I think we should get after photos on her in like 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so everyone
you
will
already see a
show you.
difference.
We're going to show you her AirSculpt Plus before and after, and you can judge it for yourself. Lauren, is there anything that anyone have
Yeah,
any
any
questions?
questions?
Ask Ethan.
Rollins, I got it. I can handle it from here. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
So doing okay?
Yeah, doing great.
Oh, they want to see the fat collection. We showed it earlier in the video.
Yeah.
The person who
Here, I
asked
can
it,
show it while
there
they're
it
doing
is.
this.
There's her fat. She's
Yeah,
going to have,
right.
let me tell you something. Mandy is going to have a serious result here. I cannot wait to see her before and after, and the smile this puts on her face. Do you have anything, Mandy, is there anything you're going to wear? Like, were you a turtleneck wearer and now you're going to like wear an open shirt or anything like that? Is there any like wardrobe changes with your new chin?
You know, I feel like I always dress for how I want to feel, you know, and so I tend to wear really, I'm a big believer on if you can put it on, you can pull it off. So I don't see that being, you know, something that excites me. It's more that, you know, I'm on camera a lot and not having to worry about posing at a certain angle to kind of hide all the loose skin really that was more bothering me. It felt a little disproportionate after weight loss to have so much loose skin. And so I'm excited about, you know, feeling comfortable at any angle. And like I mentioned with my upcoming wedding, there's going to be people who aren't me, you know, taking the photos and like friends and just not having to worry about, oh God, they got a bad angle or oh no, I look like I have a horrible double chin. So I'm just excited for not really, you know, for just not caring about anyone taking a picture of me from any angle.
Yeah, I get that completely. That you can worry about other things during your wedding, like having a good time.
Yeah, I don't want to look
Making
back
memories.
on the photos and that we spent thousands on and be like, oh God, why did they capture that side? It looks like I have a double chin.
Totally, I get that. I'm watching your jawline just kind of like come out of the ether here, and it's beautiful to watch.
Yeah, there's no fat under here.
I want to reiterate for those people watching who've lost a lot of weight, I really created AirScope Plus for you. I no matter what you do, when you lose a lot of weight, you still have pockets of unwanted fat. You could lose, a lot of people lose all the weight from their tummy except their upper abdomen. For whatever reason, it just doesn't want to leave there. And we can AirSculpt you, and instead of having open surgery, we can really help your skin with AirSculpt Plus. And I have to say that I've been really impressed with it, and we're going to show more of it as time goes on.
All right, we're preparing for her after here so she can see her chin.
We call this the Dracula Maneuver. What we do is people raise out of the bed kind of like this. So it's we're gonna do the Dracula Maneuver and show her new jawline. And of course, this Mandy and everyone watching, this is the tip of the iceberg. This is not your result. This is a sneak peek, and just like not even the trailer for your movie. Okay, it's just the poster. Okay, so we just want to see the beginning of a result here. We're not trying, this is not your result. In 2 weeks, her result will be the trailer for her movie. And in a couple months, long before her wedding, she will have a completely different jawline in it.
Perfect. I think we're ready to show it off. Are you ready, Mandy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Okay, I'm gonna get her all set up. I'm gonna flip it over. All right.
give her the mirror. Oh wait, she has to be set up.
Oh, here. Let her sit up. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let her sit up.
Let's sit her up and let's give her the mirror.
I
know you don't need massages after this at all.
Shortest procedure.
Oh, yes. You're looking great already.
I can't wait to see. And I just want everyone who's watching to know this was so fast. It was literally like I went to get a facial.
I love it. There's no needle, no scalpel, and no stitches. So
I feel like I've never seen that I have a chin like this right here is so impressive.
I see your jawline coming through there. I mean, it's just the beginning, but you see a change, right?
Yeah, I mean, I even see like contour that I would have had to achieve with like a good makeup brush, you know?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Isn't it
Huge
crazy
difference.
that you have this amount of change in the time of a facial and actually less pain?
Unreal. Yeah. No, I'm so happy with it.
Well, this
And
is not your
this is
result.
with swelling. It's only going to get better.
Yeah. Oh, no, this is like as bad as it will ever look. In 48 hours, I recommend you take a selfie in the mirror when you take off your chin garment for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even want to tell you what you're going to see because you're going to be like, I don't want to swear on camera, but you know. Like, holy,
No, I'm like holding back the swearing, to be honest, because I see just right here, I'm like, holy, I haven't seen like a bone like this, you know?
I love it. That's
I'm
awesome.
really into this.
In 48 hours, what you're seeing right now is going to be 10 times better.
I mean, even right now, looking to the side, that's wild.
Someone said your jawline is snatched.
Ooh, that, honey, snatched is the magic word, so I love that. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, okay, all right. Enough with the mirror because there's nothing to see here because this is like not even 1% of your result. But I just wanted you to see that you're fine, you're not bleeding, everything's okay, and you already look a little bit better.
Yeah, no, and I can't stress this enough. Getting extractions at a facial was more uncomfortable than this. This is so easy. I will show, and for everyone asking for before and afters, I don't know if you'll show that, but I will definitely post a before and after. I'll do a 2-day and then a 2-week. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Let's look at it. I can't wait to see your 48 hour. And when that's just the beginning, your real result is going to take right around 2 months, somewhere between 2 and 3 months for your full result. But after 48 hours, you're only going to look better. So,
amazing.
Yeah. It was really, really, really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And thank you for, I mean, I cannot believe that you have created a procedure that is this painless, easy, and just so quick. I mean, to see transformative results in such a short amount of time with no pain is unreal.
Thank you so much. You know, we're honored that you would share this very private experience with everyone and talk through it with everyone. It's
you know what I think? Pleasure. I think the more we talk about things like this, the less alone everyone feels. There should be no stigma about wanting to look the best you can look.
I agree. You know, Amy Schumer, who I have so much respect for, like 2 days ago, just had a picture of herself on the beach and said, I had a couple babies and I got lipo and I feel a million times better.
Yeah,
you know?
And again, it's like she put in so much hard work.
We'll talk about that another time.
Yeah, and that's the thing is like you put in so much hard work either on your health journey or having babies or whatever anyone's life is at, and it's like the same way we need to ask for help sometimes and phone a friend. I phoned you and I get to do this. So same thing. We should talk about it a lot more.
Yeah, I totally agree. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to answer some questions now about AirScope Plus and let Mandy get back to her day.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. So we have a bunch of questions about AirScope Plus, and Lauren's going to read them. So Lauren, why don't you go ahead?
Does a patient need any preparations for AirScope Plus?
The only thing you need for AirScope Plus is to have AirScope and have a lot of excess loose, thin skin and want extra skin tightening. So there's nothing different than a regular AirScope procedure here, except instead of using the laser, we're using plasma technology to tighten your skin.
Right. How many treatments are required for AirScope Plus?
Just like regular AirScope, AirScope Plus is one and done. There's just one treatment. There's no sessions. You do it once and you're done and it's permanent.
If AirScope fat removal already helps tighten the skin, why is AirScope Plus necessary?
Well, great question. So we get incredible, incredible skin tightening from AirScope. I just am an innovator and I want to do everything I can for all of you and anything we can do possibly to give you the absolute best result, because that's what this business is all about. Body contouring is about results. right? And I want to give everyone watching this the best results on Earth. That's our mission. So when I learned about this technology, this plasma technology, I realized that for some of our patients, not all, who really want to get an extra skin tightening, that it would be advantageous for them. And that's who it's for. Someone just like Mandy, for those people who lost a ton of weight, for those who have super loose skin, then I think it's a great addition to Aeroscope so that we can give you the best possible result in a minimally invasive, non-surgical fashion.
On which body parts can skin be tightened with AirSculpt Plus?
AirSculpt Plus can be used in every area that we already do AirSculpt, anywhere from the chin to the ankle.
And what does recovery look like for AirSculpt Plus?
AirSculpt Plus recovery is no different than regular AirSculpt recovery. So Mandy is going to be able to do whatever she wants tomorrow.
All right. Can males get AirSculpt Plus?
Men can get AirSculpt Plus. We've done a lot of men's abdomen areas. We've done men's chins with AirSculpt Plus, and even men's armpit area, because sometimes men get bulky armpits if they have extra chest fat, and it's been wonderful for them to tighten them up so they look better in a shirt.
Lastly, is AirSculpt Plus permanent?
AirSculpt Plus is permanent, just like AirSculpt.
Awesome. I think that's
Looks
about
like that's it. Any other questions before we go?
All right. Can AirSculpt help people who have had Kybella before?
Great question. So we have a lot of people, since we're talking about chin today, we've had a lot of people who tried Kybella who weren't happy. And yes, despite the fact that Kybella leaves scar tissue sometimes under your skin, we've been able to do a wonderful job on people who've had Kybella. Kybella doesn't stop you from having AirSculpt or AirSculpt Plus in any way. And if you've had it and you're not happy, then we encourage you to come to Elite and get AirSculpt. Absolutely. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a great show, and we'll see you soon.
Okay.